Hi guys, this video is about how to log into Oxford Out. Now if you follow the link in the week 1 tasks that I have set, you get this screen here. Now you guys will need to join us or up there. It's free to join, but I've already made an account, so I'll just simply log in. You then get taken to this page here, and we're looking for ebooks. And scroll down, go to ebooks again. You get taken to this page here, and if you notice there's all these books here that you can read online. If we go to levels, go on book band, we'll go on to the band we are, say we're purple, and it will come up with a selection of purple books that you can read at home. You go down to the bottom, turn the page, and just like our banned books at school, they are all here.